I'm very much happy that Mr. Ali sir has been nominated for Indian National Wise awarded. Of course, Alistair English Academy has been awarded, right? Alistair English Academy has been nominated. But first of all, Mr. Ali sir has been awarded, right? And thereafter, all the students are nominated, right? I wish and I pray to God that to give this award very much soon to us, because we are. I'm very much eager to see the award. And thereafter, coming to the point of, as I have the experience of in Alistair English Academy, before it was started in the year of 2000. It has been running in Adani itself. It has, as you very well know, no need of saying anything about this, right? Nowadays, Alistair English Academy is one of the is the most famous. If I say one of the most famous academies, then it seems that I'm comparing to others. I don't want to compare our Alistair English Academy with any other institutions, right? Alistair is one and only. We should not compare to anybody, any academy at all. And coming to the point of all the students, as Mr. Alisa said that he has seen so many students so far in his life. Of course, he might have seen more than 10,000 students in his life because of 12 years experience. And having 12 years experience, God, of course, surely gives something extraordinary which we actually don't wish. We know, we have not yet know that, we actually don't know that we have been nominated. When Mr. Alisa said me that there is a good news for us, I was too much excited to listen the good news. Then Mr. Alisa himself said me in mobile that, Mehboob, our Alistair English Academy has been nominated national-wide. Believe me, I did not believe it. I really did not believe it. Our English Academy has been nominated, that too national-wide. My God, it is impossible, I thought so. Right? And I ran away from here. I came here evening. Then when I saw the letter, I myself realized that true, our English Academy has been nominated. And I would like to ask you, I'd like to request everybody to pray to to God to come this award to us very much soon. Right? And for these, in that letter it was mentioned just to send biodata and 2 photographs. I don't know whether Mr. Ali sir has sent or not. Of course, sir might have sent. Sir, have you? Of course, right? And yesterday we have conducted quiz, right? Yesterday we have conducted quiz, and among them only 10 groups were participated. And among the 10 groups, 3 groups were selected, sir. And they deserve the prizes. They really deserve the prizes, but I don't express their names now because still there is more program to do. Yes, sir. There is more program because, of course, I know that your feelings that you may be somewhat excited when the name will be announced. Of course, but I don't want to announce your names as soon as, right? Because we have very much programs now. Miss Koman is going to conduct some games, right? We have a cutting of cakes, and we have to refresh our mind, right? And we have to refresh our stomach also, right? So what we have been waiting there. And personally, I would like to request, I would like to thank, Madam, I especially thank to Miss Saroja Madam because as I requested her to prepare puliyogare, she immediately went and prepared. And that is very totally ready. It's waiting for you. Okay? And once again, I wholeheartedly wish all of you very good luck for your better future as you have stepped in Alistair English Academy. As my life is changed, as I become, as Mr. Ali sir made me from stone to something. Right? From stone to something. I don't want to say that diamond, gold, silver. Right? These people must know about this, what I am actually. Right? I really hands up to Mr. Ali sir for making us very much success in this, in our life within short life. And I would like to ask you I would like to say you one thing. We need some faculties, right, sir? Of course, we need some faculties. I would like to see some more faculties from you. Really, because if you want to become a faculty of Alistair English Academy, there must be lots of hard work. There must be lots of hard work.
We have been waiting for shortly opening an institute in Hemming Road and Guntakal, and for this we are branches. So the branches in Hemming Road and for this we need faculty also. And the faculty, as you know, that we always select the faculty from our own institute. Why? Because they have the experience about Alistair English Academy, how to teach, how to manage the students, how to behave with the students. They all copy from me, so therefore they know the attitude how to maintain in the institute. So therefore we are eagerly waiting for somebody who can be selected for the next Alistair English Academy branches, which are soon going to be opened in Emiguru and in Guntakal. So you might be one of them. You might be. If you have that much of guts, please do hard work and show us that we are able to teach. Then we will select you for the teaching.
And Ty, you are fortunate for becoming a proprietor of a branch of Alistair English Academy very much soon. As one, I'd like to say you one thing, that one person came from Guntakal to meet Mr. Ali sir on behalf of an opening a branch. But I don't know what was the talk went on between Mr. Ali sir and that person. But when I go to Guntakal, I of course visit to his academy. Actually, he is maintaining an academy called Pipeflex. Right? I think once you can mention. He is maintaining a Pipeflex academy. Okay, I often visit there. Whenever I go there, I just keep a pamphlet in my pocket to show him. Once I first met him, actually I don't know that he was maintaining a Pipeflex academy. My uncle, my aunt, son was there, and he made me to meet him. He took him to me. He took to me him. And he just introduced me. And when I started talking with him in English, I was totally funk of listening to my English. And I showed him my academy pamphlet. And he was very much eager to meet Mr. Ali sir and to have a branch, have a name. But he came, but Ali sir hasn't given, because he doesn't have that much of vote. He doesn't have that much of vote to maintain Alistair English Academy's name. Right? That's why Mr. Ali sir hasn't given. So we are looking. Mr. Ali sir is looking 2 or 3 faculties from you. I wish.
From the morning batch, there is a guy actually in my eyes. I don't want to reveal the name, but there is a boy who has got that much of guts to maintain.
Is he here?
Yes, really.
Is he here?
No. If he would have come, I would have introduced him. But he didn't come from. He is from a village actually. Basically from Telugu medium again. One of the Telugu medium is standing before you. He is also again from Telugu medium. A very excellent guy. He is never proud of himself that he has got this much of talent. That's what the main thing I like. He has got the guts of teaching also, but he didn't say himself, or he is not proud of himself that I am able to teach him. That's the main thing actually I like. The hard worker, a very obedient, and a person who has got attitude, and an intelligent fellow also. Brilliant.
Which means a special seat is waiting for him, sir.
Yes, special seat already reserved, but unless the period of course is completed, I would see his attitude. If any of the mistakes are suppose done, then he will not be selected. As you know that I am not saying his name, so it's a suspense. No one knows about him. Only I know that he is going to become.
Do hard work to become a tutor of Alistair English Academy, because becoming a tutor of Alistair English Academy makes a very much proud feeling. I'm very very much proud of myself. I'm very much proud of myself, because as I've been teaching English in Alistair English Academy since 2008, right? Until I leave my last breath of my life, I'll be here 100%. I'll really be here. And if I don't leave Adoni, because my parents are forcing me to leave Adoni, just because of Alistair English Academy, I'm not leaving Adoni. Yes, I'm showing them some of reasons. I'm showing them some of reason that actually I do not want to leave Adoni. I would like to settle here itself. Because soon, very much soon, an Alistar English Academy, not only academy it will be, I think so that it will come to the point of school, it will come to college and so on, I think so. So, for example, if it become college, then I would like to become the principal of Alistar English Academy. It's my humble request to Mr. Ali sir to make me to become a principal of Alistar English Academy.
We shall start 4 or 5 colleges. Then one of the principal of the college will be you.
Thank you very much, sir. And thank you very much once again to all of you. And we are really thankful to you for attending our 12th anniversary of Alistar English Academy. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mehboob sir, for your valuable speech. Now I request Tahir sir to